Well, happy Halloween, everybody. For those of you who haven't died of laughter yet, let me explain. This project right here started last, I think it's like January, you know, that time of the year where there ain't much going on, Christmas is over. And I looked in my parts box and I found that I had almost all of the parts to create a new ar15. I also had this my very first 80% lower I ever tried to machine out on my drill press, and it wasn't really good. It had some issues, but it still worked. So this is what came out of that box of parts, and I just kind of wanted to make a fun little pumpkin blaster, essentially, and I actually called this one the Punkin. So it's a 7.5-inch barreled 5.56. Mind you, it doesn't have the dust cover yet. That was one part I did not have. It'll be there for next Halloween. But I got a few rounds left in this thing, and let's just see how loud a 7.5-inch barreled 5.56 can be. Okay, so this is the muzzle blast from a close-up perspective of the side. All right, now for those of you who've been following the channel, you will know that we did a pumpkin shooting competition here about a month ago. Out of that pumpkin competition, what we did was we were gonna have the winner their pumpkin got a something special about it, and then second place, something special, and then third place, well, here's how it works out. So third place, pumpkin competition, the guy that lost was me. So my pumpkin didn't get to show up, namely because it fell off the truck while we're coming out here. So it doesn't even get to show up today. So second place was my brother Garrett with his little 45 Colt pumpkin over here. And we're gonna send it off properly. See if I can hit it, because I have not sighted this thing in yet. So we gave him a little bit of a facial there. Now the first place winner was my little brother Caleb, and we'll send off his pumpkin with a Viking funeral right here. So I've noticed this here clay pigeon that is sitting on that stick over there has been living for a long time. We got 15 rounds left. 5.56 is very rare right now. So let's see if we can get rid of him too. And I'm gonna try it here. All my ammo on him. Some people like to say that 5.56, when you shoot it out of a 7.5-inch barrel, it lowers the power down so much that it's the same power as a 22 long rifle. I have a water bottle over there, and you remember the 7.62x38 video? We shot some of these water bottles. They made teeny tiny holes in them and nothing else. It didn't even knock them over. So let's see what this does to a water bottle. Focusing on that Pepsi bottle there. Probably more powerful than a 22 long rifle. Don't forget the beans. Yep, that thing ripped her open. It's hitting really low at this range. I'm going to dial my sights up. Let's see, what will she do with that can of beans there? Now I noticed these things have all dried out, but really not much of a difference. That surprises me. Actually, I take it back. We're going through almost the same hole. There, I got it. Oh, I should have tied this thing in first. Oh well. This is meant to be a close range weapon, right? How much ammo I got left? Yeah, like 3 rounds. My pistol brace came loose. Oh well, let's shoot it like a pistol then. See if I can hit a clay pigeon. Let's set up the barn door. Alright, so that's going to be probably pretty much it for this video. It was just us coming out here having a little fun. But anyhow, that's this little pistol, guys. Thank you for watching.